Hi, my name is Tyler Bishop, and for my Capstone project, I'll be explaining what exactly solar energy is and why we need it from an economical and ecological standpoint. For this presentation, I will explain how energy from the sun is converted into usable electrical energy, along with a few alternative means of energy production, and finally going through a few social aspects surrounding solar energy. But first of all, I'd like to answer the question, what is solar energy? Solar energy is energy emitted from the sun, and generally this energy comes in two forms, light energy as well as heat energy. Before I explain how we harness energy from the sun, I would like to share some alternative means of energy production. One current mean of energy production comes from the mineral coal. Coal is mined, then shipped to a coal power plant where it is burned to produce electricity. However, burning coal emits harmful carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is known as a greenhouse gas, one of the leading causes of climate change. Another means of energy production comes from burning natural gas. Natural gas, like coal, emits carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. It is sourced from a process known as fracking, and fracking is generally unaccepted by the public as it can lead to water table pollution as well as earthquakes. Another form of energy comes from the source of nuclear. Nuclear power, unlike coal and natural gas, emits little to no harmful gases to the environment. Nuclear power, however, is a relatively more expensive mean of energy production and can take a considerable amount of time to construct facilities. Coal, natural gas, and nuclear are similar in that they all essentially heat water to steam. Steam is then used to spin a turbine, which is connected to an electrical generator supplying energy to a grid. How do we use energy from the sun? There are two major methods to transfer the sun's light or heat energy into usable electricity. Light energy is utilized using photovoltaics and heat through concentrated solar methods. Photovoltaic cells or solar panels are comprised of semiconductors, usually silicon. The reaction between protons or light energy and these semiconductors yields electrons or electrical energy. This electrical energy can be used to supply energy directly to a structure or garden light or redirected to supply power to a grid. Concentrated solar power production, on the other hand, uses a more passive means of energy produced by the sun. Concentrated solar uses heliostats, or mirrors, to direct concentrated amounts of solar heat energy to a receiver tower. This heat is used to turn water to steam, and like coal, natural gas, and nuclear, which spins a turbine supplying energy to a grid via an electrical generator. Why exactly do we not use this virtually unlimited source of energy? And I say virtually unlimited, as the sun produces energy every single day and isn't expected to run out for a few billion years. Opposition to solar energy is mainly based on economics. Special interest in coal and natural gas have long been opposed to this energy alternative. And current presidential administration has actually implemented tariffs on imported solar panels as well as imported solar panel components. Because of this, there is a projected loss of tens of thousands of jobs in the solar energy sector. So what can we do to support solar energy? One way to support solar energy is to implement solar panels on your own home. However, this can prove expensive, but through social programs such as the U.S. Department of Energy's Million Solar Roofs Initiative and California's California Solar Initiative, it is possible to supply clean, renewable energy to homes throughout the country. In fact, the California Solar Initiative, or CSI, has supported nearly 500,000 solar energy projects. Another organization that supports solar energy is the Solar Energy Industries Association, or the SEIA. The SEIA is aimed at improving technology in the solar energy sector, as well as aiding in financing of solar programs and tax credits. It's also aimed at raising awareness for solar energy as well as pushing solar energy policy. But perhaps the most important thing you can do in order to support solar energy is vote. Voting renewable energy helps push the solar initiative, which helps economic growth in renewable energy sector and more importantly ensures the longevity of our planet's well-being. I hope you enjoyed my presentation and gained a little knowledge as far as solar energy production goes.